Welcome to Skye. Everything you see behind me is Skye, the Isle of Skye, and we are going to be here for the next 2 or 3 videos checking out everything that Skye has to offer. If you guys haven't checked out our videos before, I'm CJ, in the car is Kai, my dog. This is Wilder Hope Adventure, so I do hope you stick around to see where we're going today. Well, camping locations don't get much better than this. Unfortunately, the cloud just rolled in. Good morning, all. So I wanted to bring you guys down here last night, but it was quite busy. And it was the wrong time. So we're out here about 6:30 in the morning at Cuillen, or Cuillen. It's a very tiny village on the south side of Skye, but there is an otter hide up about a mile from the parking area. And apparently it's a really, really good spot to go check out wildlife and maybe see some otters. So you can see just how strong and different and unique the currents are through here. Even though it looks calm, those currents would just sweep you away. Well, I could spend all day here, so there's a lot of different information, which is really, really cool to have in here. And I could stay here for a lot longer than this, but there's an awful lot I want to do on this island in the next couple of days while we still have a weather window. But yeah, definitely put this on your list of places to stop at. This is well worth it. Come and check out, see if you can see whales and have better luck than I did. Oh guys, that makes me extremely happy to have seen that and actually to finally got him on camera. That was worth a stop. And we're just outside, oh I have no idea, but halfway between somewhere and somewhere. But this is, look at the size of this mountain as well. What an amazing, amazing experience. I was worried, like it was one of those things where I was like, if I replace my camera, I'm not gonna see something, but if I don't, I'll see everything and I wish I had. So we got this other guy out in the water, he just disappeared. Oh my gosh guys, came around the corner of this monstrosity. Isn't that freaking epic? Oh my gosh. This island just keeps blowing my mind, like further and further and further away. Wow. What an incredible location. We are going to go check out the fairy pools below. I think it's pronounced Ligaka. And it's already really busy. It's barely 9 o'clock and it's already quite busy here. So this is definitely a place you want to come and do early in the day. So something that's really important to know about Skye is how much The entire isle is steeped in folklore. Myth, magic, legend, fairies, you name it. There is some story about almost every mountain, every creek, every pool on this isle. It is a very magical place to be, and not just because of the myths and legends, but because of views like this. But we're heading to the ferry pools. There's also a ferry bridge that we may check out a little bit later. Well, you can definitely see why they're called ferry pools. They're just these beautiful green, blue, circular pools below the waterfalls, and they're absolutely stunning. Obviously, they've been carved out over thousands and thousands of years, but I can understand why they're called ferry pools. These guys are a whole lot braver than I am. Well guys, we've about reached the end of the trail. There is one more small waterfall just a little bit further up there, but the best is what we've already seen. I just can't quite take in these views, the size of these mountains, and obviously you can't continue up and up and up to the top of the mountain, but this is where we're going to pause at these last two ferry pools. That water looks so inviting. More to drink than to swim in, but if you are the kind of person who likes a wild swim, this is a place for you. This is definitely starting to feel a little bit like it did when coming down from Scafell Pike, the amount of people. Almost like a London sidewalk. So definitely get here early, especially if it's a weekday or a weekend, and even more so in the height of summer. So we randomly, on the way to Bridesvale Falls, randomly are following an American yellow school bus. And that feels very, very strange in the UK. But hey, cool to see a bit of back home, right? So we've just got to Bridesvale Falls. It's not very far off the road, which is quite nice. It also means I'm just leaving Kai in the car for a bit. But well worth a stop. This is gonna be the next video. But we just got off to our right-hand side, the Old Manor store, which I'm really, really excited to do that trail. But right now, we're just to check out this falls, which is gorgeous, and probably check out one more set of falls after this. What a beautiful set of falls. You can see why it's called Bridesvale, just cascades gently down, but beautiful, beautiful set of falls that you can see right from the road, but I wanted to get up a little bit more close. I love these delicate waterfalls more than the gushing, gaping, wild ones. So we're here at Mealt Falls. We'll go check out the falls in a minute, but I want to go check out the cliff overlook first, because this view back to the mainland is absolutely stunning. So we literally just stumbled on this one. I didn't realize this fall was down here. So there's one here and then there's one further up. That's definitely cool though. What a stunning spot, guys. 3 or 4 waterfalls for the price of 1 parking spot. Worth coming to. I think we've got one more to go to, and then we'll be done for the day. So this is it, guys. Kilt Rock and the Mealt Falls overlook, which was the waterfall we just looked at. It was stunning. I could imagine how amazing that looks from the beach if you could actually get down there, but I don't think you can, unfortunately. But it's still quite striking from the top, and once again quite busy, but not anywhere near like the Old Manor store and the ferry pools. We're going to leave it here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this first part of Skye. So take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.